looking at E minor and a B7. Now that would be, I see a red door and I want it painted black. Then we bring in E minor again, D, G, D, E minor. I see the girls go by dressed in their summer clothes. Then full rhythm. Then it goes again in that half bar method. But then it goes full bar A, full bar B7. A red door and I want it painted black. Goes again. No colours anymore, I want them to turn black. Then E minor, D, G, D, E minor. Resets. E minor, D, G, D. Full bar on A. If you are watching this and you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you could subscribe. It would mean a hell of a lot to my small fish channel. I've got some resources under there. I've got a site or a page over on Patreon where you can go and check out lots of extra resources, and you can try it for free today. The numbers have been growing lately, so I'm grateful. You can have a 7-day free trial, see if it's for you. If it is, great. If it isn't, not to worry. You've tried it and you haven't spent any money, so go try it out. And there's a few other tasty links down there for you to go and get your teeth stuck into.